Our message to yourself is that there are no shortcuts. You must take your education seriously. It doesn't matter what the station in life of your parents is. Whether you're from a poor household or whether you're from a well-to-do household, it doesn't matter. Because education is an equalizer. It levels the playing field. So Harkana Mutla is saying, you might not have the latest shoe in terms of fashion. One of the famous clothing brands, maybe, or some shoe ya skolo, but I'll keep them school only focused more education in Yalona, and it's a certainty to deliver us from our poverty. For if there's a sure way, a way of certainty, to break the cycle of poverty, which grips many in our community, or it's in a school. It's in a school, it's a metric, go on to study in a tertiary institution and make something of yourself. From Extension 12. He achieved 6 distinctions at the exams at Fitile. Now, what's remarkable about this young man is that he lives with his sickly mother and a sibling in a backyard shack without electricity. So he literally burned the midnight candle to study for his exams. But because he was focused and he knew what he wants in life, he was able to achieve those 6 distinctions. Now, this is not a boy from some well-off family in the suburbs. This is a boy like many of you here. This is a boy like many of these celebrities that we're sitting with. Because Kaswana Hatwe, Moremokolo Hubeta Wataola, Wamoto Ipetla Ker. Like it's Saneseo. Every man is an architect of their own fortunes. So we should not be held ransom by our circumstances. We can't be held ransom by the fact that you are from a poor household, for instance. And how very shortcut, that's what I want to impress on you. Scholars are boring. I was talking to Councillor Friedman, and he was saying to me, you know how I used to hate school. And I think that's the sentiment I share to an extent. That you don't really see the value of education, particularly when you are in your schooling years. You don't see what does it mean to go to school. You think these teachers are unreasonable. Why are they giving so much homework? These teachers are slave drivers. They are so unforgiving. Why are they so vengeful? You think that they're out to punish you, they're out to get you. The fact is they know what's good for you because they are parents. Mama gets homework every day. But Mama knows what's good for you because she's been there. She's seen the value of education. She knows what education represents for you. So once Usolo Moholo Felice Skolo, looking back, you'll be proud of this achievement which you've been able to make. you look back and say, I did very well. You know, it was a good investment to sit in that classroom and learn. It was a good investment to spend many hours of my free time go bala. Yeah, so re batla go le rotloetsa gore don't get sidetracked by what you see in the community. Don't get sidetracked by negative role models. If you want role models, look at people like this, who are self-made, who continues to inspire many others like yourself. Look at the example of Mandela. Again, for someone from humble beginnings who went on to be a big player on the world stage, it's possible because in all of us, Mandela uteng mo. When we are born go na le purpose. Ga gona motho o tong wa tsala o tlo na skatana fela o tlo feta sa etsa next mo pelo ba. But for you to be able to discover why all the thing, you must look within you. Again, search within yourself, you'll find what is your purpose in life. Oh, is meant to go and be this lousy person in the community, the laughing stock that everyone talks about. Everybody only capability to make something of themselves, if they so wish. And Letronolo Dinebo has proved it. Many others before you in this school have proven it.